okumanya ebiriwo, ebyaliwo, oba ebigenda okubaawo. Program Tambula n'okumanya egguse. Tambula n'okumanya ku MRU TV ne Royal FM. Tambula n'okumanya. Tambula n'okumanya.
North Korea, officially the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, is a country in East Asia constituting the northern part of the peninsula. Its capital city is Pyongyang. Kim Il-sung was a politician and the founder of North Korea, which he ruled from the country's establishment in 1948 until his death in 1994. He was also a leader of the Workers' Party of Korea from 1949 to 1994. In 1950, Kim Il-sung was elected as the first president of North Korea. He was in office from 28 December 1972 to 8 July 1994. He was born on April 15, 1912, and he died in July 8, 1994 in Pyongyang in North Korea. He was the country's premier from 1948 to 1972. Kim was the son of parents who fled to Manchuria during his childhood to escape the Japanese rule of Korea. He attended elementary school in Manchuria, and whilst a student, he joined a communist youth organization. He was arrested and jailed for his activities with a group in 1929 to 1930. After Kim's release from prison, he joined the Korean guerrilla resistance against the Japanese occupation sometime during the 1930s and adopted the name of an early legendary Korean guerrilla fighter against the Japanese. Kim was noticed by the Soviet military authorities who sent him to the Soviet Union for military and political training. From there, he joined the local Communist Party. During World War II, Kim led a Korean contingent as a major in the Soviet army. After the Japanese surrender in 1945, Korea was effectively divided between a Soviet-occupied northern half and a US-supported northern half. At the time, Kim returned with other Soviet-trained Koreans to establish a communist provisional government under Soviet auspices in what would become North Korea. He became the first premier of the newly formed Democratic People's Republic of Korea in 1948 and 1949. He became the chairman of the Korean Workers' Communist Party. Later on, Kim Jong-il took over presidency in North Korea. Kim Jong-un was born in January 8, 1984 in North Korea. He was a North Korean political official who succeeded his father, Kim Jong-il, as the leader of North Korea in 2011. The youngest of Kim Jong-il's three sons, Kim Jong-un, lived most of his life out of the public eye, and little was known about him. Reportedly educated in Gamlingen in Switzerland at the International School of Bern, he went on to study at Kim Il-sung National War College in Pyongyang from 2002 to 2007. As a young adult, Kim Jong-un began accompanying his father on military inspection. As a young adult, Kim Jong-un began accompanying his father on military inspections. It was thought that he worked either for the Korean Workers' Party, the country's ruling party, or in the Army's General Political Bureau. Both organizations were involved in surveillance of government officials. Rumors began to circulate early in 2019 that he was being groomed as his father's eventual successor. He was listed as a candidate for the Supreme People's Assembly in 2009, and in April, he was given a post on the powerful National Defense Commission. The chairmanship of the National Defense Commission, defined in the Constitution as the country's highest office, was held by Kim Jong-un. By mid-2009, Kim Jong-un was being referred to within the country by the title Brilliant Comrade. And in June, it was reported that he had been named head of the State Security Department, the government agency responsible for political and counterintelligence. In September 2010, Kim Jong-un was given the high rank of 4-star general. Although he was not known to have had any prior military experience, after the death of his father in December 2011, Kim Jong-un was declared the country's supreme leader, an official title that nonetheless signaled his position as the head of both the government and North Korea's military forces.